That was the narrative coming into this year, that China was uninvestable. You were coming off 2 years of declining, Chinese stocks. And of course, whenever you hear that, the opposite tends to happen. So China has rebounded, fairly strongly. Why? Because expectations were washed out, because valuations, you're on a single-digit price-earnings ratio, less than half the US. And interestingly, China has at least as many tech stocks, if not more, than the US does. So we're not comparing apples and oranges here. And they have some policy flexibility, and they're beginning to use that. China's not uninvestable. I think China's going to be fine. As I say, the fact that it's perceived as being uninvestable, the fact that it's very underowned, may make it a little bit more defensive and a little bit less correlated if you do think the US market comes off hard here, which I don't think is the base case. But if you are looking for places to hide, China's one of those few places which is big enough, less correlated, and cheaper enough that may be an interesting place to hide if you are bearish on the US.